3, go!
What if tiny robots, smaller than a grain of sand, could move objects without ever touching them? At very small scales, the rules of motion change. Water feels thick, and even simple movements behave in surprising ways. In this study, researchers show how to harness those tiny fluid forces to create contactless machines powered entirely by swirling water. Each micro-robot is just 300 micrometers wide. When exposed to a rotating magnetic field, every robot spins. And as it spins, it drags the surrounding fluid with it, creating a microscopic whirlpool. A single robot doesn't generate much force, but when hundreds spin together, their flows combine. Those combined flows produce sufficient fluidic torque. Instead of pushing objects directly, the micro-robots use the surrounding water itself to apply rotational forces. To demonstrate this idea, the researchers placed micro-robot collectives inside and outside of concentric ring structures. By carefully controlling the number of robots, their position, and how fast they spin, they were able to program the direction and speed of rotation of each ring. These experiments revealed that fluidic torque is not just a byproduct of spinning robots. It is measurable, tunable, and programmable. The team then extended the concept to mechanical systems. They used micro-robot swarms to drive miniature gear trains, turning one gear, which in turn rotated another through physical contact. They also placed micro-robots inside a small pool of liquid on top of a floating 3D object. Even though that object weighed more than 45,000 times as much as a single micro-robot, the collective fluid flow was strong enough to rotate it. The researchers also explored how these fluid flows affect multiple objects simultaneously. At low spinning speeds, the swarm pushes surrounding particles outward, expelling them. At higher speeds, the flow reorganizes and pulls those same particles inward. By simply tuning the rotation frequency, the collective switches between dispersing and absorbing objects. The swarm becomes a programmable fluid engine. Perhaps most intriguingly, the fluidic torque feeds back into the swarm itself. At high speeds, the robots spread out and surround an object, rotating it efficiently. At lower speeds, they cluster together and crawl along the object's edge, changing their own collective shape and motion. In addition to moving the objects, the fluid also reshapes the swarm. By harnessing the physics of Low-Reynolds-Number fluid dynamics, the researchers have shown that micro-robot swarms can generate programmable, contactless torque. This work opens new possibilities for microscale manufacturing, precision assembly, biomedical systems, and future microscopic machines. Liquids do not need to remain a passive medium. At small scales and in the right conditions, it can become the motor.